Hello everyone, I'm Dariyon, and I'm part Mainland clouded leopard, part Savannah, part Bengal, part Havana brown, mixed American Burmese. I'm a Panthera wildcat. And my ears can hear everything. My ears look like a serval ears. My ears look only lion ears. And I have my clouded leopard spots all over my fur. And I have a sense of smell. And my sense of smell can smell about 100 times. I'm a mainland clouded leopard, hybrid Savannah cat. I'm part F9 Savannah cat. I'm a wild cat, but I want to start my own journey through the African savannah. And I love my spiked collar, and I'm going to be a good wild cat. And I already got weapons already. My weapons are my sharpest canine teeth, looking like a lion, and my sharpest retractable claws. My retractable claws are very sharp. Everyone, I want to find my mighty roar of the elders. I wish I have the roar of the elders right now. I'm ready to roar. 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 And I want my own kingdom called Dariyon lands. Everyone, I want to become the king of my own kingdom, and I should welcome every character. And everyone, I want all my friends return, especially Kara Danvers. Everyone, I want to see Kara Danvers again. I miss Kara Danvers so much. And I want to see Tatsu again. And everyone, I want to reunite with Tatsu. And everyone, I loved Tatsu Yamashiro so much. And everyone, I miss having Karen Beecher around me. And Karen Beecher, she is my best friend in my family. And everyone, you're all my family. And I want you to be my family. And Mega Mushroom, you're my family. And I grew up with you, Mega Mushroom. And my Mega Mushroom, you're my adoptive brother. Just like I always wanted a brother, just like you. Everybody sing my brother, a brother, one more time. I always wanted a brother, another. Hey, Mega Mushroom, I'm racing the other side, race the other side, race the other side. Hey, Kara, I always wanted a big sister, just like you. I always wanted a sister, just like Kara Danvers, aka Supergirl. I hope you enjoy. I'm a Panthera wildcat in my blood.